I'll help you edit that whole spot out.
Hello guys, this is my first time doing this, so excuse any mistakes that I make along the way. But today we're going to be playing wolfquest Anniversary Edition. And I have played this game before, fair warning. I have deleted some of my wolves so I could start a new adventure with you guys. Um, so let's get into it. Let's just create a new wolf because I didn't want to delete all the ones I already had stuff on. And I was looking, I don't think I have a wolf with black tail, the color black tail, or deer plateau, but I was just looking through to find a one that I really haven't done yet. Because I don't really like all these. These are, I just don't, they make the wolf look ugly in my opinion. This one just, I'm good. So, I think what I'm gonna do is, that one's kind of pretty. I think I'm gonna do black tail. Um, I think I'll do male or female. Actually, I want to do. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Let's do blacktail female. Actually, yeah. And we'll name. We'll name. Let's see. What does he look like? Hmm. Let's name him. Dustyground. Yep. Oh, that's all capitals. Dustyground. Kind of brown looking. I feel like you should have like amber eyes, maybe, or like orange eyes, or like somewhere like there. I kind of like, yeah, 35 sounds good for primary. And then for secondary, yeah, 31's good. Should he have a 20 here? Ooh, let's do floppy or flat. No. Ooh, let's make him, there we go, little floppy boy. Radio collar. I don't know, I don't like the lady collar. Of course, fluffy tail. I love the fluffy tails, it makes them look cute. Yeah, I think this is Dusty Ground ready to go. Or wait, we gotta do the stamp or the attributes. Um, I think he's a strong guy, so maybe like that, or like more health, maybe. Yeah, and we'll see how that works out with our pup. So he's gonna be, for the first video to make it interesting, let's do Iron Wolf. Yeah, I have died multiple times on Iron Wolf, so excuse me if I die. Probably edit it out. He's gonna be a bold guy. He's gonna be a bit of a loner. He's gonna be energetic. Saved him. Okay. Let's get this show. Oh wait, we gotta create. Yeah. Let's get this show on the road. So new game. I only have. I haven't bought any of the Ooh, what is Lost? I don't think. I don't know if Lost River is. What am I looking for? I don't know if Lost River's DLC. That's what I was looking for. But I actually don't think I want to do Lost River because I like Amethyst Mountain, I think. Um, let's do Eastern Dens to make it more interesting. Alright, let's get this started. So I generally like to play this game. I also play the Isle. I might do a video on that. I haven't played the Owl or really an Owl yet or the Tyrannosaurus. But right now we're focusing on wolfquest. I have a fair amount of hours on wolfquest. I don't know. I haven't had this game for very long, but long enough, I guess. Alright. Dustyground adventure. And I might not talk a lot. I'm not really the talkative person. I'm more quiet. I play this game quiet most of the time. So here's Dustyground. Beautiful boy. And ooh, there's already a dead moose. Oh. But if you're new to wolfquest, it's basically I guess open world animal survival game. And you play as a wolf, and you survive. You have pups, and then you raise those pups. And then you can have them in the pack, and then you also have to claim territory and fight off other wolves. But that's like a short summary of the game. And these light pink orbs are for elk herds, and the darker pink, I guess magenta ones, are bull elk herds. And typically bull elk are really strong, and if you're playing Iron Wolf or something, it might not go well unless you're really skilled in a way. So right now I'm going after elk. It's gonna take a bit. So you typically have to track them. Oh, there's already a den. Oh, and these locos mean they're a den, so eventually after you have 15 hex square, or when you start out, you have to kill 2 elk to progress. And then you have to get 15 hexes and 4 den sides, but right now, I guess we'll focus on the elk because that's our main quest. And if you hit tab on PC, I think you can only play on PC. But if you go on quest, it tells you your quest, and eventually you'll either die or I think there's a setting to where you can't die, but oh, here we go. Here's the elk. So I'm gonna go this way. No, I'm gonna go this way. I have to be careful since Dusty Ground is an iron wolf. I'm gonna try and spook him. Oh, this is sketchy. I normally always die playing iron wolf. If you guys have any tips for me, that's appreciated because, like, man, it's hard sometimes. I'm getting I don't want to attack yet. I want to get them going, if that makes sense. As I'm casually getting chased. I guess I just have to buy a calf before I can actually get going. Or an adult. Let's try to get them to go. Yeah, here we go. Oh my god, these elk are cool. That's great. Oh, I hate this. Let's get going. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Alright. I want to see who stumbles. Because when they stumble, they get on the ground and you can, like, easily kill them. Unless you don't die, of course. Am I going the right way? Okay, yeah. Typically, if an elk herd is close to territory, I like to move them away from that territory so that way I can eat peacefully. And normally, since I do have, no wait, I have a lot of health. Never mind. I was gonna say typically, you do take a lot of damage even if you do have high health, I guess. Oh, there's bison. There's also bison in the game that you can hunt, and they actually, I think not recently, but recently, They have added bison herds with calves and stuff, and you can hunt them instead of the elk or the deer or the pronghorn. And eventually, there's a quest with newborn ungulates, which are baby elk in the game, or baby deer. And they'll be in a bush, and if you spot a lone female elk, then yes, then typically you can kill them. Ooh, this one. No. This is a cow elk, which I'm actually surprised about, kind of. Which normally is the babies that I go after. Never mind. Yeah, here we go. Calves are easier to take down. Since I have high health, and you see the mother coming after me. And I like to back off so they'll run, and then I can chase after them again. Look, if you go for the legs, you can slow them down like this. Woohoo! And eventually, I hope to continue a journey with you guys where I have a family. Where I have a family and I can just make puppies. That's scary. I hate when it's realistic, of course, and I like it. But I also hate it because I hate getting attacked by the mom. Yeah. Look how low he is. This cap's going down. Since I have higher health, I still have enough health. Oh, ow, me. Alright, since he's low, I'm just gonna latch on. Look at him running like a cow. Freak. And see, when they get real low, they'll go down like this, and then you can just kill them. And then you can howl, and then marks the body. Oh, and if you're wondering what the bars are the top left corner, the purple bar is sleep, and if you have low sleep, you have low stamina, essentially. And the orange bar is food, and the higher food you have, the easier you'll heal. The green bar is stamina, and the red bar is health. I think the red bar is easy to figure out what it is, because normally in games, red is health. So, yeah. When I was watching videos about wolfquest first, I didn't know what the bars were until I forget what video it was, but somebody was playing the game and they said what it was, and that really helped me because I didn't know what they were about. Oh yeah, and things will come after your food. Ooh, that bear. That bear. Actually, I'm not gonna waste my time on it. I'm just gonna go after another elk because I like to complete this quest fast, if that makes sense. I don't know. I like to do it fast. Get it over with. And since it counts with calves, it makes it so much easier because, like, if you just had to kill adults, man, that's hard. Alright, now I don't smell anything. Oh, but yeah, when you mark it, it marks it on the map. And this is the first video, and since I'm new, I'm just explaining myself and explaining this game. But, like, eventually, I'll probably stop talking, honestly, less much, but I'll still talk, of course. And I won't explain the game, unless I get asked, and they haven't seen my first video. So I rather tell those new people that you can watch my first video on this game. Or depending on what I feel like, or I'll explain it, I guess, honestly. But yeah, again, I'm gonna go after another elk. But like, look how cute he is. I actually like Dustyground. And when we get to the certain quests to progress, I'll explain them. But this is straightforward, you just kill elk. Alright, we got another elk herd. I'm gonna try and get them to run. And there's emotes by pressing E. You can have tails, voices, ears, etc. I'm just gonna bite them to get them going. Here we go. Yeah, here you go. Now I'm gonna see if anybody falls. Yeah, that's a bull out, in case you didn't know. They hurt. Especially on like challenging or accurate. Anywhere for an iron wolf, they do hurt. Scary. Oh, and bison are real scary. I've died so many times to bison, so do my pups. Because sometimes they're really dumb and they stand, oh, here we go. They stand right in front of the bison's head and they get ran, and then they die instantly. Like with pups, it's just like one shot, one kill, you know? I'm kind of being reckless here, so if you're new, you probably don't want to do this. Ow. Me. Let them run away. Here we go. You did it, cat. Ow. Let them run away. Here we go. Yeah, he's going down. Yeah, here we go. Ow. Oh, and if there's something wrong with the audio, okay, so since I've killed 2 out, it gives you this. Now we find the mate. I'll leave this on screen a bit in case you want to read it, but since I've read it, I'll just get right past that. So now, let's go find the mate. But yeah, if there's anything wrong with the audio, I think the comments should be open. You can tell me in the comments because I want to make sure everything's working fine since I'm still new to this. My brother and sister actually has a YouTube channel. I'll link it if I figure it out. But I know my brother's just like kid something. Oh no. I don't know if he's changed it or not. No, my sister has. I forgot. I don't know hers. After she's changed it. It was Magic Official. Wow. Oh, here's deer. I'll let you guys name the puppies if I live that long, because again, I don't really survive that long on Iron Wolf. But yeah. I'm gonna choose the mate on my terms, but I'll let you guys choose the puppies. And I'll choose my favorites, depending on how many puppies we have. Because depending on your packs, or your mate's star level, depends on how much puppies you have. So you can have 7 or 4. And some people get big litters. Yeah. Right now I'm just looking for it. Oh, here we go. Alright, so we got a 3-star and a 3-star. See, with Dustyground, I don't like the way these coats. Alright, she's kind of cute. Oh no, she's kind of. I'm not the one for the silver looking coats like that one. See, I'm a 3-star, or 3 years old. This one's 2. Dude, this one seems kind of playful. Let's see. I don't know. Should we keep looking? know. I like that one actually. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna keep looking. Or maybe come back. Actually, I'm gonna give numbers, and at the end of the video, I'll ask in the comments and look in the comments after a bit to see which ones. So 1204 is gonna be number 1. 1204. 1. 1. Make. Oh, that's caps. Oops. Okay, so that's first mate. So now we can go look up. Or, I don't know. I don't like the silver ones, to be honest. I like darker, mysterious looking wolves, if that makes sense, I guess. But Dustyground is our wolf, so he's our bull. So he has an excuse. Look at that boy. Look how cute he is. Look at that handsome boy. Alright. So eventually I have taken down bison before. Because there'll be like old bison around, and sometimes they're really low health. They're scary to hunt, not gonna lie, but I will eventually try to hunt some. I just might need a reminder, to be honest. My memory ain't the best. We need to start eating like cranberries. Yeah, I like to play other games. I have like 1,200 something hours on the Isle. I like to play the Isle. I'm gonna play the Isle eventually. Excuse me. I'm also kind of sick, so excuse me if my voice sounds weird. Yeah, I like to play the Isle. I like to play Star Stable. Although I've had my account for a while, I haven't had any motivation to level up, so right now I'm level 12. Apparently with the winter event going on in Star Stable, I wanna try to save up star coins to get the new horses, because I like the I don't know what the name is, but I like, oh, here we go. I like the nighttime looking one. Ooh. Yeah, I like, ooh. Oh, sorry, my bad. Hey, don't attack me. Oh, why are they attacking me? Oh, that was cute. Wait. But hang on, let's go away. Because I actually like that one. Here we go. Calm, cool, collected. Oh man. Oh boy. Alright. Let's try howling to see if they'll howl back. Because I like that light looking one. But I think it made him mad. Yeah, 804, 804. But I also like what I think it was 108, I think. Yeah, I think they're hanging out. Let's sleep. Because I want to see about that one. I don't know if they actually were mateable, or I might have made them mad by running at them like that on accident. But yeah, well, I'll see. because I actually like him. But yeah, they despawn, but I want to see if I can find them again, maybe. Oh. Oh. Not a mateable wolf. Just a mad wolf. Oh, his house is so pretty though. Also, I'm sorry, I'm chewing gum, so if it picks it up, that's why. Okay. I wish there was like a stat thing where you can have fast and strong wolves, but I guess that would be overpowered because you can only choose one or the other necessarily, like short summary. But I think Dustyground is my first actual strong wolf that I didn't delete or bathe. I like to go for fast wolves mostly, and like wolves with high stamina. Oh, and when we have puppies, when we start to get old and crippled, I'll let you guys choose a hare or an heir. Like when we're getting to that point, I'll let you guys choose an heir. Is that a wolf or is that just a rock? I think it's just a rock. Oh, here we go. See, two star. Oh, but you're pretty. Oh no, no, not you. Oh, 2 star. Okay, 3 star. See, I already had a wolf with that coat, but I like 106 or 109 coat or one. You get the point. Yeah, I like their coat, but they're 2 star, and I don't feel like having a 2-star mate. Yeah. All right, let's move on because I don't like the 3-star one, and the rest are 2-star. And not only does having a certain amount of like 3-star wolves or 2-star wolves, not only does it determine how many pups you have, but it also, I believe it also determines how fast your pups can get sick and die. Oh, ow! They also determine how sick your pups can get and die. And I don't feel like going through that right now, so what is that? I hope that got picked up, but I heard like a fast thumping noise, it sounded like. And I think that came from in-game, but I don't know where that came from. It was like over here. Was it this little rabbit? Maybe? Oh yeah, we gotta go find that other mate. Oh look, there's a bison herd down there. Look at that. I feel like Dustyground would be a bison hunting boy. Like, I feel like he loves to hunt bison. Is that a... Oh, that's a deer. Is that a wolf? Or a tree? No. Guess there's nothing. I'll probably cut some of this out because it kind of takes me a bit because I'm picky. And you you also have a time limit. Not a fast, really time limit, but you do have a time limit to find a mate, like real mating season. After I find these packable, actually right now I will. Let's see, you have a time limit. It goes down slowly. But I believe if you don't find a mate during that time, you have to wait until the next mating season to find a mate, and then until then you'll be a lone wolf, like real life. I want to find these people. This park. I'm also excited to start this whole YouTube thing because I've been waiting, and now I actually am doing it. I'm actually happy. And I'm not really doing it for the subscribers or the views thing. I think it'd be fun, like, as a pastime. Because normally I do get really bored just doing nothing. I do art, so I might do some of art. And I'll probably post some of the art that I have done. And it's not like Picasso. Kind of, it's not like crazy. But I love oil pastels. And I'm working with Ohuhus. I like to work with them. Oil pastels, I love oil pastels. Like, right now, I started art and I'm switching over in school. And I begged my art teacher if I could take the oil pastels because I love them so much. But I couldn't because next semester kids needed them badly. I don't mean it to take this long, honestly, but I'm sorry I'm being picky. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's a male. Let's see, these coats. This is somewhat of what I like. I think he's on the same quest. Here you go. Is this a female? Yes. 3 stars. Oh, here we go. You are 2-star and ugly. Are those the same? I like them both, even though they're kind of same up, but I like how that one's darker. Okay, so 801. 801 is gonna be second mate. And was 802. Oh, wrong. 801? Oh, I guess I didn't hit enter. Second mate. And then, yeah, it was 802, wasn't it? Yeah, it was 802. And then 802 can be 3 mate. And I think we'll do 5, depending on which ones I like. Ooh. Yes, let's go to the red one, because the red one is in a pack. And if I get that one, maybe it might be an alpha, and I can have... Okay, it's the pelican. Hello? Well, I guess. Maybe if I make it there, maybe. I still have to be somewhere, but I got a lot of time. I also heard if you kill, like if you're in a, if you go to an opposing pack and you kill the opposite alpha gender, then you could mate the gender that you need alpha, and you can have that whole pack in the whole territory, which I find interesting. Oh, no. What? Oh, okay. Oh, look at this. Full elk skull. Look at that. I think that might have been a new profile picture, guys. Guess we have to go over there. And if I do die on accident, you guys can tell me in the comments if you want me to continue or make a new wolf, or if that time if I have puppies, then I'll have you guys choose the air. That way we can keep this series going. But if I don't have puppies, then you guys can tell me if you want me to keep going and go back to the last save file of Dustyground, so we can continue this beautiful forest journey. And if not, then we'll create a new one. I don't know if it feels like if I did go back to the last save file, it'd be cheating in a way. I don't know what would be cheating, but it would be cheating if it would feel like it to me. I'm gonna sleep in a bit. Come on, Dustyground, come on. Or Dustyground. Like, this will be the last mate I go to. And fall asleep so I can get stamina in case I get to fight or need food. Yes, I can. I'm going to do it. Oh, here we go. It sounds so close. Let's see him. Oh, apparently I got a minor injury. Yeah, I heard it. Okay, something new. Oh, wait, I think. Oh, yeah, see? 107. 107 is the mate. 107. 107 is the mate that I really want. Because, like, look how pretty she is. Look how pretty she is. Like, who can not love that? Look. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Okay, we're gonna sleep. And if I get fully slept, I'll end the video and I'll wait for the comments to come in. So that way I can see which mate people want the most. And if you guys don't want number 4, that's fine. I'll just choose whichever. Because they're all starred 3, but I really like 4's coloring. And I already forgot what the others were, to be honest. There we go. Alright, well, end off. Ooh, this isn't good. Yes. Alright, so we're gonna end the video here. Goodbye. Merry Christmas Eve. And with the second video for Dustyground will be posted depending on the comments. Alright. Goodbye. Merry Christmas Eve. And I'll see you guys later.